Okay, today we're going to do some practice calculations with hydrates. So here's an example in preparation for your HydrateLab. A certain hydrate, cobalt chloride, unknown amount of water, is analyzed for its ratio of water content. The following data was calculated. Answer all questions, show all work, put your answers in each box with units. Okay, so here we go. We have the mass of the empty pipette, that's 2.34 grams. Then we place the hydrate in the pipette, and it's 52.34 grams. Then we heat the hydrate, and so water is going to be evaporating out. We're getting rid of all of the water. And so after that, and we cool it, it weighs 29.65 grams. So you can see that we can quickly determine that if this is how much the hydrate was before heating and this is how much it was after, then the difference between these two is the mass of the water. Now, while these both include the mass of the empty pipette, because it's included in both, it's not going to be a factor. So we just subtract this. So all we do is we take the 52.34 grams, we subtract it from the 29.65 grams, and we take the difference, which is 22.69 grams. So we have 22.69 grams of water that was driven off. Okay? What is the number of moles? So now that we know the mass of water that's driven off, we can easily calculate moles. So it's 22.69 grams. There are 18 grams in 1 mole of water. Grams cancel, and this becomes 1.26 moles. So now we have 1.26 moles of H2O. By the way, this is 18.0, so we're good on 3 significant figures. Okay. Now we're going to come over here, and the question is, what is the mass of the anhydrous salt that is remaining? Okay, so what's remaining is the 29.65 grams, but remember that also has the pipette in it. So we need to take out 2.34 grams. So we're going to take 29.65 grams, subtract out 2.34 grams, and the difference is 27.31. So we have 27.31 grams of cobalt chloride. Okay? There is only 2.34 we subtracted, so we're okay with having this number of digits. Okay? Now we're going to come over here. Okay? What is the number of moles of anhydrous salt? Okay? So we're going to start with the fact that we had this much anhydrous salt, okay, in grams. So we're going to go 27.31 grams of cobalt chloride. And then we're going to look up the molar mass of CoCl2. And when I calculate it, it comes to 130 grams of CoCl2 in 1 mole of CoCl2. Okay? So when I divide that, I end up with 0.210 moles of CoCl2. Okay? Now that I know the moles of cobalt chloride and I know the moles of water, it's just a simple ratio. And remember, whenever we do ratios, we put the bigger number on top to get the closest whole number. So what is the ratio of moles of water to anhydrous salt? So we had 1.26 moles of water. We divide that by 0.210 moles of cobalt chloride. And that mole ratio gives us basically 6.0. So 6 is our whole number. So what is the formula of the hydrate? CoCl2.6H2O. So you're going to be trying to figure this out in the HydrateLab and using the exact same calculations with a different salt. So good luck.